The charging status indicator light displays the charging status and is positioned to be visible from outside or inside the vehicle. If the normal charge connector is connected incorrectly, the light will flash red and a beep will sound 3 times. When the indicator light is flashing green, it indicates the vehicle is ready for charging. The ready for charging timer will cause the green light to repeatedly illuminate for 2 seconds and turn off for 2 seconds. When the vehicle to load system is turned on, if so equipped, the light will repeatedly illuminate for 1 second and turn off for 1 second. While the battery is charging, the light will flash blue. As the battery charges, the rate of the flashing will decrease. When charging is complete, the indicator light will stop flashing and turn solid blue. The light will turn off after approximately 5 minutes, or if the charge connector is disconnected. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.